Paxilica is a program of the United States. That is not our program. It is a component of that major program. What I will share with you is what I know based on what BCDA and appropriate DTI group explained to me personally. There will be no AI hub. So essentially, if you know PEZA, it's just like that. It's like PEZA, but ang PEZA kasi import-export, parang closed system. Ito, ang aming discussion, parang ganun, pero meron kang local companies that will support the operation there. So, ang PEZA kasi masyado closed yun eh. No? So ito, ganun ang system. So essentially, it is AI focused by developing chips that will support AI, but not an AI hub. Of course, our guidance is that if that is so, then you have to make sure that there is enough power and enough water. Now, since there will be no AI hub, then the requirement for water will not be very much. The plan is they will have water retention basins in some rivers there. After the Pinatubo eruption, when there were lahars and asphalt, maraming natrap na tubig doon. So it's easy to actually implement that plan. So yun yung isa sa maging source ng water. This is how I understand the project. Now, on minerals processing, it is not logical, it's not economical to transport ore and have it processed there. Walang ganon. You have to process the ore in the site where they are mined. If that is the case, then we need to use environmental friendly way of leaching out gold and other critical minerals out of the ore and mine waste, or even electric waste, even EV waste, you can mine out critical minerals. Now, just to make sure that science is involved there, we are looking at projects that will sustainably and not harm the environment. The procedures on leaching out are taking away those critical minerals like gold. In fact, a very interesting idea is how to use certain waste out of the aqua industry to develop that material to leach out. No? So parang yung waste dito pwede gamitin and not use chemical elements that would be harmful to the environment. So, ang role namin is to provide the guidance. We are not the frontliner. Kung ano sasabihin nila, then we can comment. Overall though, it's essentially an advanced hub to develop semiconductor electronics and chips for AI, but not an AI hub. So, it's just like a PEZA zone, modified a little bit.